Toyota Hilux 2024, infusing power and efficiency with a hybrid boost. European truck enthusiasts are in for a treat as Toyota introduces the 2024 Hilux with a notable upgrade, a 48-volt mild hybrid system. This addition not only enhances power, but also injects a dose of efficiency into the popular pickup. At the heart of this Hilux variant is a 48-volt mild hybrid system, seamlessly integrated with a single motor into the powertrain. This augmentation contributes an extra 16 horsepower and 48 pound-feet of torque to the already robust 2.8-liter turbocharged diesel engine, generating to 101 horsepower and an impressive 369 pounds-ft of torque independently. The mild hybrid system is supported by a small 48 volts lithium battery, operating in tandem with the turbocharged diesel power plant. It's essential to note that, being a mild hybrid, the system doesn't offer an electric-only mode. According to Toyota, the Hilux Hybrid 48 volts boasts a 5% improvement in fuel efficiency compared to its standard diesel counterpart. This is attributed, in part, to an enhanced stop-start system designed to optimize performance in heavy stop-and-go traffic. The electric motor's presence allows the engine to stay off for extended periods in extremely slow situations, contributing to the overall efficiency. While specific fuel economy statistics are yet to be disclosed, Toyota's commitment to a more fuel-efficient driving experience is evident. Beyond the upgraded powertrain, the Hilux Hybrid 48 volts introduces Toyota's multi-terrain select system, offering 6 driving modes: dirt, mud, rock, sand, deep snow, or the automatic mode where the truck intelligently determines the optimal setting. To reinforce the Hilux's reputation for off-road prowess, engineers have diligently waterproofed the electrical components, ensuring the hybrid truck can confidently wade through water up to 27.5 inches deep. In comparison to its North American counterpart, the Toyota Tacoma Hybrid, the Hilux Hybrid 48 volts may not match the former's brisk performance. The Tacoma Hybrid, equipped with the 2.4-liter iForce Max powertrain, generating 326 horsepower, holds its own in the efficiency realm. Specific fuel efficiency figures for both models are eagerly awaited to determine which emerges as the more fuel-conscious contender. Notably, the standard Hilux diesel already carries a WLTP certification of 29.7 miles per gallon. For European buyers, the 2024 Hilux Hybrid 48 volts is set to hit the market in mid-2024, exclusively in the double cab format. Toyota's strategic infusion of hybrid technology into the Hilux not only elevates its power, dynamics, but also underscores a commitment to a more eco-conscious and efficient driving experience.